Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Kamusta kayo? Narito ang isang bahagi o segment ng ating aralin sa Conversational Tagalog 1. At ito naman ang inyong instruktor, Rafael Pulmano. Hello everyone, we are in Lesson 8, Giving and Following Instructions. In this segment, you will learn more about giving commands using verbs. In the last tutorial, you learned how to make an verb by simply adding the prefix before the first vowel of the root word. For example, plus upo equals umupo, sit down. Then add the pronoun ka. You now have a command, umupo ka. So, if the root word is inom, which means drink, add and you will have the verb what? Uminom. 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 Adding the pronoun ka or you after the verb uminom turns it into what command? Uminom ka. Uminom ka. Uminom ka. Remember the rule. To make an verb, add or affix the before the first vowel of the root word. Awit, umawit. But what if the first letter of the root word is not a vowel? For example, takbo, meaning run. It begins with the letter T, a consonant. Remember the rule. Add or affix the before the first vowel of the root word. Takbo, tumakbo. Try this. Lakad or walk. It begins with the letter L, a consonant. Remember the rule? Add or affix the before the first vowel of the root word. Lakad, lumakad. Add ka after lumakad. The result is a command. Lumakad ka. By this time, you should be able to give more commands using verbs. This is the end of this segment. Please proceed to the next. Salamat!